Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to use ChatGPT for Google browser as a search engine. First of all, open your browser and type here ChatGPT, Google, and click the first link. And all you have to need, just install this extension on your browser and click on this puzzle icon and make sure to pin this extension here. And now if I search anything on Google, like how to make a website manual in HTML, and then here we can see ChatGPT is generating the answer here. And now you'll be able to easily copy this code and paste this code into your HTML file. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.